it's Sia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I am really excited, and the reason why is because today I will be unboxing the Vitamix E320. I'm really excited and I'm really grateful for it because we just went to pick it up, and I'm really excited to make some delicious soups, smoothie bowls and many more things with this. As you can see, I got the color black, and since that's the only color available, and this is the E320 from the Explorian series. So yeah, I'm really excited to unbox this, so let's go. So I just unboxed that Vitamix and I'm super happy, and as I said earlier, I'm really excited to make some soups, smoothies, nut butter, and I just can't wait. So if you did enjoy this video and would like to see maybe some more kitchen supplies unboxing videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as to click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. So I'll see you guys soon, bye!